So good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Please confirm you can hear me. Confirm you can hear me, everyone. Please confirm you can hear me. I want to be sure that you can hear so we can start riding. Please confirm that you can hear me. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Please, if you're on this call, please let me know your name and where you are joining and connecting from. Let me know your name and where you are joining and connecting from. So if you're on this call, let me know your name and where you are joining and connecting from. So we've started. Let me check every of our streaming platform how it's going. Just a few moments. Okay, just a few moments, guys. Just a few moments. Somebody is on this session. Okay, so we are here. We are here. Please let me know where you are joining and connecting from. So drop something in the comment section. Yes, 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 yes. I can see you, Samuel, connecting from Abuja. Please drop some fire emoji in the comment section. Money has to be made today. Money must be made. Money must be made. Money must be made. Drop some fire emoji in the comment section if you are still there with me. Drop some fire emoji in the comment section. Money must be made. Money has to be made. Money must be made. Yes, yes, we are increasing in number. Money must be made and money has to be made. So this is just my first time doing this, coming live on YouTube and on Facebook to analyze the market and to trade with everyone. So this is our first time. So I believe that as we keep going, more people will be joining us. So we are currently three in number now. So please, wherever you are joining from, I can see Samuel Chukwebuka is joining from Abuja. So if you are here with us, let us know your name and where you are joining and connecting from. I had like to know where you are joining and connecting from. And please drop some fire emoji in the comment section. Money must be made. Money must be made. Money must be made with some fire emoji. We are taking profit to the moon. We are taking it to the moon. We are taking it to the moon. Okay. Okay. Without wasting time, let's get started into it. So I'm going to be analyzing the market for us, and we are going to be trading together today, and hopefully it would be in profit. So I have been doing this trading live with a couple of people in my private community for like 18 months now, and I just thought to take it a step further, coming on YouTube, where everyone around the world can interact with my thought process on the charts, see how I analyze the market and make money with us together from the market. So this is the first time we are doing it. So I believe as we keep going ahead, more persons will be joining us for this session. More persons will be joining us for this session. So I want to leave a three disclaimer before we dive straight into the charts. First, number one, you are not under any compulsion to take every trade that I call. So if you see that it doesn't sit well with you, you can decide not to take it. Number two is, please do not risk all your capital. Do proper risk management. So not because you believe in me and maybe I've given you one or two signals and it goes your way, then you now, this one, you open up your lot size or try to double down or try to go full margin. Please still apply proper risk management. The market can do whatever it wants to do at any particular point in time. And is number three is, okay, I said number one is, you are not under any compulsion to take every trade that I call. Anyone that you feel you don't want to take, don't worry, just leave it. Then two, apply proper risk management. And number three is, Forex is risky. So just in case this is your first time joining live trading session or coming to trade live, also know that there is still risk involved in trading Forex. In as much as the flip side of it, which is making profits, has a lot of potential and you can make good money trading Forex, but still know that is risky. So I just had to leave this disclaimer before we dive straight into the chart. So if you've been trading and there are pairs you want me to analyze, yes, I can see people dropping some fire emojis. Yes, Joshua from Abuja, I see you. David, I see you. Yes, Takash from Bauchi, I see you. Yes, yes, yes. Let's take it to the moon. Let's take it to the moon. So let me know the pair you would want me to analyze for you guys, for us, or let me know the pair you want us to look at. Then we'll see if there is anything there for us to trade. Then we can make money together. So we are going to be doing this every single Wednesday as the Lord wills. So we are here for the long ride. Please let me know the pair you would want me to analyze, then we can see how we progress from there. So let's go, guys. Let me know the pair you would want me to analyze, then we can take it up from there. So please talk to me. I believe I am loud and clear. You can see me you can hear me, you can hear me, you can see me, you can hear me. Please let me know you can see me, you can hear me. Okay, please confirm you can see and you can hear me. You can see, you can hear me. Let's engage so that in the next 2 minutes we'll dive straight into the chat. I'm going to be sharing my screen, then doing the analysis for us. So any analysis that I see, even if it's not a pair I trade, so because of the live trading session, then if I analyze the market and it's something that is good, I mean, why will I give you signal and you are making money and I won't make money? So even if it's not a buy trade, I'm going to take the trade and make money with every one of us, even as to make money. Yes, 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 yes. I can see, yes, GBP USD, USD JPY, and GBP CHF. So for people who know me personally or who kind of have a form of connection with me, I basically trade three pairs: GU, GJ, and gold. So, but for the purpose of this live trading session, I would be also be looking at other pairs, analyzing other pairs for us. Yes, I can see you, Prime from Delta. I see you. Welcome. So for the purpose of this live trading session, I would be looking at other pairs that even if not the ones I trade. So I will be looking at it, and if I spot or get any tradable opportunity, we are gonna make money from it and make the market. So let me start first with the first one, GBP CHF. All right, so let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Okay, hold on, GBP CHF. So this is GBP CHF. Wow, wow, wow. So from what you can see on my chart, yeah, you can see that GBP CHF is just boxed up in this range. So is this is a resistance level and this is a support level. So the market is actually at this resistance level. So we are, I'm hopeful. I think I analyzed this pair for yesterday's live trading session, which I have with my private community. So I told them that GBP CHF, what I'm looking out for GBP CHF as of it was here yesterday, I told them that this guy is going to go up, and it did exactly as speculated, just that I didn't enter the trade because that wasn't my trading pair. So if the person that asked the for me to analyze it yesterday was here, he can testify to it. So it was here. So I analyzed that what GBP CHF is likely going to do is, based on the fact that I'm using 4 hours time frame to explain to us the higher perspective of this market. So because it's within this range, I'm expecting it to be playing around this region. So first case that if as GBP CHF broke here and it fell to hold here to keep going down. So and it broke up a kind of, this is support and resistance level. As it has broken here, then the next thing is coming to this point, then tapping up. So as it is now up, I'm looking for a sell opportunity here. I'm looking for sell opportunity, and I think the sell is already happening. Is already happening. So this is a simple analysis. Is already happening. Let me check our 5 minutes time frame. Wow, wow, wow. It's already flushing down. It's already flushing down. Let me see how many pips it has gone. No, this guy has moved. This is 35 pips. This is 35 pips. But let me see if there is anything we can possibly do on this pair, because the sell position speculated has already taken effect and is already playing out. So I'm looking for the possible thing we can likely do on GBP So for now, GBP have already taken a move for a sell, and there is no thing you can typically do on this pair instead of just to wait for another position. Now, what happens is that I'm expecting it to keep pulling down to this point. So what we can possibly do is, as it is moving down, then any possible retracement that we'll find, we can jump in into the sell. We can take the sell position. So but for now, there's nothing typically we can do on GBP. I would have want us to enter for a sell position, but the point the market is now, I won't advise it, because if you now want to enter for a sell position, your stop loss should be around 60 pips, which it doesn't really make sense to me, because how many risk to reward ratio will you be looking out for? So any trade that doesn't have the potential to do at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio, I would most likely not consider it. So for GBP we see that the sell has already begun, and there is nothing we can do. Then on the other side, that the market tries to pull back, I've said it before, if it tries to pull back, then we can find a position and enter. But for now, based on what the market is doing, there's nothing I'm seeing for us to do here. So let me see USD JPY. I think that's it. USD JPY UJ. Okay, let me clear my screen and start afresh. So I used to trade GJ, not UJ. Okay, let me see. First, let me point out the highest low, the highest, the highest high and the lowest low. So this is an area of consideration where the market is playing around. So question is, where is the market likely heading, and where is the market at the point? So this is where the market is at the moment. Let me find touching points in the market that can serve as my support and resistance level. So this is one. This, if you try to stretch this behind, so you can see how the markets have been playing along this area. So let me put this zone as my support and resistance zone. Now this is where the market is at the moment. Where is the market potentially headed towards? Is this up here? Is up here. Now where I'm actually expecting this market to get to before we now begin to look for another position is going to be at this level. Is going to be at this level. It seems that this market have already moved to, has already moved to. I would have given us a pending order, but because we are expecting a high impact news today by 2:30 p.m. That is a CPI. Yes, CPI. Let me not give us let me just analyze the market. Then with that insight, you can know what to do when it's time for the news, because the news is going to affect everything that has to do with the USD. So the market is actually at this point now. If the market keeps buying and comes to this point, I will be expecting the market to reject here. So if it rejects, then I position for a sell. But if it does not, that means that the market will keep buying. So it may even buy and clear out this highest point that the market has gotten towards in this point of reference, this point. So now the point is, at the moment here, what one can likely look out for on USD JPY is that the market is going to ride up to this point. So had it been the market broke here, broke or did something like this, broke this level, I would have said let's position for a sell move to the downside. But since that is not what is happening on the markets right now, we are trading the market based on what we can clearly see on the chart. So from at this point, let me check the distance. This is 255 pips. Yes, I was on the 4 hours time frame. So I just wanted to give us the higher perspective of the market. So now coming down to lower time frame where we can find our entries and all that. Let me see what we can possibly do on this market. Let me move to 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, where is okay? Just follow me carefully. Follow me carefully. Now, another level is here. So guys, see what the market is actually on this level, on this point here. Let me just excellent. Now, I'm expecting a buy. I'm expecting the market to keep pushing up, but let me go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, okay. Let's see. Bullish perspective and bullish bias. Our buy signal. Let me see how it looks like. Let me see what 30 pips looks like. So I'm expecting this market to break, as it has broken this point, but it did not break it very well. I'm expecting it to keep rallying up, at least up to this point, at least up to this point. And this is like how many risks to reward ratio? This is like 1:7. But I'm a kind of waiting for it to give me a bullish engulfing on 5 minutes time frame, so I can clearly confirm that we are in for a buy movement. So let's just wait for a moment. Let this 5 minutes candle close so we can take a decision from there. But this is a very good setup to consider. This is actually a very good setup to consider USD JPY for a buy. And bullish perspective on this guy, and bullish perspective on this pair, USD JPY. So it's going to be an instant execution. It's going to be an instant execution. I'm looking at the market. It's going to be an instant execution. It's going to be an instant execution. It's going to be so guys, calculate your risk. Let's see, calculate your risk and just hold on for a moment. Let me confirm if we're entering now also, because it's actually at our vantage point and a key level. So let me see what is happening in the comment section. Okay. Yeah, okay. USD JPY. So guys, let's enter for a buy. Do your proper risk management. 30 pips SL. 30 pips SL. 30 pips SL. Let me type out the coordinates. Buy USD JPY now. Buy USD JPY. 30 pips SL. USD JPY. Buy now, buy now. So apply proper risk management because we are expecting a high impact news by 2:30. So do proper risk management, guys. Don't over leverage your accounts. Don't over leverage your accounts. So do your calculation and take your trade. USD JPY. So I'm entering my own position. I'm in USD JPY 30 pips SL. So buy now, buy now, buy now. We are in for a buy. USD JPY. We are in for a buy. We are in for a buy. I'm in for a buy. So let me give you the coordinates. Let me give the nets. Let me type out the coordinates for us. Let me type out the coordinates for us. The SL. Let me type out the coordinates for us. We are already in the trade. I'm in on the trade. I'm in. Let me type out the coordinates for us. Screenshot this guy. Let me USD JPY. JPY instant execution. Instant execution. SL 30 pips at, yes. So this is the coordinate. This is the coordinate. This is the coordinate. We are in. So put your SL. So for the TP, guys, leave the TP open because we are expecting a high impact news today. So I'm very hopeful that the news is going to push this market aggressively up. So open your TP, leave TP open. So when you are comfortable with the profit that you've made, you can decide to close out in profit. You can decide to close out in profit. So, but I want you to leave your TP open. Yeah. If you entered when I said you should enter, you should be in profit by now. So if you entered when I said you should enter, you should be in profit by now. So I'm hopeful that it's going to be a winning trade. So we are in on USD JPY. We are in on USD JPY. So guys, talk to me. Let me know if we are. I'm back to the comment section. Let me know if we are following you. Are 7 persons on this session. Powerful, powerful, powerful. Let me know if we are following. Let me know if we are following. If you are following, let me know if you are following. If you've entered the trade, I just called now, let me know that you've entered the trade. If you've entered the trade that I just called now, let me know that you've entered the trade. If you've entered the trade, please put something in the comment section. Put something in the comment section. Drop something on the comment section. Let me know that we are following. Let me know that we are following. Let me know that we are following. So I just gave you the signal for USD JPY. We are 7 persons on this session. So let me know in the comment section if you are in on the trade. If you are in on the trade. So remember, don't put your TP. Just put your XL as I've called for you, because you're expecting a high impact news by 2:30 p.m. today. Hopefully it's going to go our way. Let's keep going. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Talk to me on the comment section. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. I want to see some energy. Let me know that we are together here on this session. So let me know that we are together here on this session. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, let me go ahead and analyze the other pair that we asked for too, which is GBP USD. Let's go for the GBP USD. Yeah, I can see I'm in. Yeah, we are 10 now. We are 10 persons now. So if you are just joining us for the live trading session, please know that you are here. Drop your name, tell us your name and where you are joining us from. I just finished analyzing USD JPY. You may rewind to catch up with the signal. It's actually an instant execution. USD JPY for a buy. USD JPY for a buy. So if you are just joining us for this session, you can rewind and look at the signal. Look at the signal. Instant execution buy is still at a point where you can enter the trade. No TP, because we are expecting a high impact news today. So just put your SL and relax. Okay, let me share my screen for analysis on GBP USD. All right. Okay, so guys, we are in profit. We are in profit. We are in profit. Analysis on GBP USD. Okay, so guys, this is my chart on GBP USD. So I tend to put 4 hours to see an overview of what the market is doing, where the market is at the moment currently, and where the market is potentially heading towards. So I can know where to position, whether to join the movement or to wait for the market at a certain point. So we can see what the market is doing. So this is a resistance level which the market broke and failed to retest it to keep going down. So what I was actually looking out for on GBP USD was for the market to come, retest this level and keep falling. So but then that did not happen, and the market aggressively broke it. As it broke it, it targeted this next level high here, this next level here. And what I'm looking out for is the market is going to make retracement, is going to make retracement. So guys, what we need to also pay attention to today is that we are expecting a high impact news. So if we have already taken a trade on USD JPY, it may not be ideal to also take a trade in GBP USD because of the high impact news that we are going to be experiencing. So but then you can decide to take it, but what I can tell you is to lower down your risk, because if USD JPY goes in our direction, definitely this guy is going to fall. USD JPY, GBP USD. So if USD JPY is buying, GBP USD is most likely going to sell. And this is my speculation on GBP USD for a sell position, but then let's go down to a lower time frame to look at what the market is doing on a lower time frame perspective, possibly look at candlestick sentiment, then we can take our decisions from there. So now price tapped into this point. This is a key level here, this is a resistance level here, and the market has already tapped into it. And is this 1 hour candle is a very strong bearish 1 hour candle, and is giving us a sentiment that this market is going to keep falling. So I supposed to have caught this trade on GBP USD because this is one of the few pairs I trade, but before I've already come to my system, it has already moved. So is to wait for another opportunity or see for what the market is likely going to do. So I'm expecting the market to keep rallying down to at least this level. So if it comes this level, then we can now begin to look out for another trading opportunity, whether to buy or whether to keep selling. So the market can come to this point, keep falling to this point. If it breaks this level aggressively, the retest of it, I'm in for a short position. Now, on the other hand, if the market does not break this level and comes to this level, then I can begin to look for a buying opportunity. But however, on a 1 hour time frame, we can see that the market is aligned bullish, just that this level here, the market is respecting it and is going to give us a kind of a retracement to this point, then keep buying. So if we get a setup around here, drive this market to this point, is actually a good trade for us. So let me see, it has already moved like 25 pips, 25 pips already. So for now, I would typically tell us to just chill on GBP USD. We already have a trade on USD JPY, so let's allow it to run. Let's allow it to run. So let me look out for another option. Oh, I can see Emmanuel from Port Harcourt. I see you, sir. Okay. So I've analyzed the three pairs that we suggested for us to look at. We suggested for us to look at. So the three pairs have been analyzed, and we are in a position on USD JPY. Let me see how our trade is doing. USD JPY. Let me see. Okay, we are actually in profit on USD JPY. Let me put this guy here. I'm sharing my screen in a moment. The JPY. Okay, so guys, look at the trade USD JPY for a buy. So this is the stop loss. You can screenshot this. You can screenshot this. Take the trade. Please do your proper risk management. Do your proper risk management, and let's see how the market works for us today. Guys, do your proper risk management, then let's see. So this is, let me move this, expecting the pressure to keep going up. All right. So this live trading session is supposed to be for an hour. So people on this session, we are done analyzing the few pairs that was called out. Okay, let me look at GDP JPY to as my pay. Then from that we can call it a day. Let me look at GBP JPY. I think I have an interest in that pair. Okay. So look at GBP JPY. GBP JPY have been on a downtrend, but this aggressive buy yesterday, this is when the buy started. We, as of our yesterday live trading session in our private community, so I was telling them that this guy, I'm seeing that if it breaks this point, if it retests, let me go to 5 minutes time frame. If you retest, then we can now join the buy. But lo and behold, that didn't happen. The market kept buying aggressively to this point that it is. And now, on a 1 hour time frame, see what the market is doing. I'm looking at this market that is going to fall to the downside. Is going to fall to the downside. But now, where we can typically enter the trade is what I'm looking out for, because it has already tapped into this key level, and you can see this aggressive buy. Most of the time it usually comes with a retracement, so the market cannot just keep buying. The market moves in waves, so I'm looking out for a retracement around this level, around this level. So what I can now look out for is, since this buy has already moved and this is the market is coming back to this entry, I'm seeing this as a retracement to keep going down. So let me use my Fibonacci tool. Let me see what it looks like. So you can actually use Fib tool on any time frame. This is 5 minutes time frame. So if it gets to this point, guys, you can take a screenshot of this. If GBP JPY gets to this point and it rejects, I'm seeing it that is going to keep falling to the downside. This is what I'm looking at for on GJ. So you can take a screenshot of it. Maybe by next week, you know if it's happened this way or not. So I'm not saying that it must happen this way, but this is like my speculation on GBP JPY. We wouldn't be able to enter the trade at this point because it has already moved, and this is like, wow, 91 pips already. So you can't enter for a sell, you can't jump in. So it's ideal you wait for a retracement. So you use your Fibonacci tool to look out for levels the market can possibly retrace. So for me, I'm more comfortable using 61.8 for my entry. So if I am expecting a retracement on any pair or on any time frame, I usually look out for 61.8. So at the moment here, let the market just retrace at least to 61.8 or in between 50% and 61.8, then we can have a decision on it. So this is also a pair that I'm looking at for to see what the market does on it. Then we can progress from there. I am personally going to trade this pair. Is one of my trading pairs. So if you know me, you know that me and GJ, we are good friends. So if it comes to this point, I'm shorting this guy to the downside. Okay. So guys, yes, we are here. Can you please check USD card? Okay, someone is saying I should check USD card. All right, so let me quickly check USD card. It's going to be our last markets we will check before we leave? USD card. Let me open USD card. I'm sure it's USD card. Let me confirm that I saw there. Okay, Euro card, Euro card, Euro card. Thought to confirm. Euro card. I don't usually trade it, but for the purpose of this live trading session, let me analyze the pair. Okay, first a clean chart. Okay, H4. Let me begin from H4. So first, I mark the swing points in the market, the low and the high, the most recent one and the relevant one. So the low and the high. This is a low and this is a high. So this is 4 hours time frame. Let's zoom out to see if we are on an uptrend or on a downtrend. So now, if you look at this guy, you can't clearly say if we are an uptrend or a downtrend. Just looking at this, I've zoomed in. This is 4 hours time frame. Let me reset my chart. Just see. So you can't clearly say if we are on an uptrend or a downtrend. But however, let's pay attention to this area. Now, this is like the resistance level in this market. Let me mark this out as a zone, not just with a line. Let me mark it out with a zone. So see how, now let's say this is our resistance, this is our support level, and the market kind of got to it, but it didn't exactly get to this tip. It didn't exactly tap in. See where the market got and started buying. So what I'm looking out for on this guy on a higher time frame perspective, before we now go to lower time frame to look for possible entry, is this. It taps, it comes here, then buy. What I'm actually looking out for. Or as it has gotten to this point, it rejected. But if it didn't reject, then keep going down. We can now begin to look out for a selling opportunity if it retests this, guy. But this is actually on a 4 hours time frame. But the pips will be too massive for a day trader. I'm a day trader, so I'm just looking for an opportunity to make 50, 70, 100 pips thereabout, then leave the market. So for at the point now this market is actually on, what are we now possibly going to look out for? Where is the market heading towards, and what can we possibly do to join the movement of the market and make money from it? So let me look for a common level that the markets have been reacting off of. Let me mark out these points. This guy. So okay, this is 1 hour time frame. We can see how the markets have been touching this. This is touch, 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 touch at this point. Now, 1 hour time, 5 minutes time frame. We can see this is already an aggressive buy, on Euro card. So for now, we can likely enter for a buy. We can enter for a buy, and I won't say you should use a pending order on this pair. What I'm looking out for on this pair is this market is going to keep buying, is going to keep buying at least to this point, at least somewhere around here, somewhere at this point. So where the market is to this point is actually 67 pips, which if you use 20 pips SL, that's like 1:3. But the question is, the thing is, we can't likely enter, we can't be able to enter for a buy because the markets have already moved. So if you are now considering to enter a buy, where are you now going to put in your SL and all that? And on this euro card, remember I said on a 4 hours time frame, you can't clearly say this is an uptrend or a downtrend. So I won't even say, okay, we must buy or we must sell. We must buy or we must sell. So based on where the market is, we just look out for possibly where it's going to head towards them. If it gets there, we can look out for opportunity on what to do. So for now, we can't enter a buy position. We cannot enter a buy position. It's not ideal to enter a buy position. Let me check for something. Let me check for something. Let me use fib. Okay. So, but then where the market is to this point is still far away. So for now, there is no trade on euro card. There is no trade on euro card. There's no trade on euro card. So we just look out for what the market is going to do from there. So that's my analysis on euro card. All right, so I can see, thank you, thank you. So guys, I think this is where we'll be ending the analysis for today's live trading session. So we had like 12 persons join us for the session. Let's see. Okay, so this is the place we'll be ending this session for today. So guys, please, everyone on this session, please do me a favor, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, like do it like right now. Please take your phone, subscribe to this channel. Please do it like right now. This like right now. I want to be getting notification before we leave this session. Please subscribe to this channel like right now. 67 persons, 66 persons already subscribed to the channel. Please subscribe to this channel like right away, like right away, like right away, like right away. Yes, yes, it's we are now 70. We are now 70. We'll keep doing this every Wednesday. We'll come look at the market, analyze the market, and take potential profitable trades together. So guys, this is the place we'll be ending this session for today. This is the place we'll be ending this session for today. So if you have any question after this session, you can as well reach out to me on my Instagram. You can just type the Akahowa on Instagram, then you can see me. Any question you have, you can reach out to me there. Then I'll see how to answer your question. So guys, cheers everyone. Keep making money from the Forex markets. Keep making money from the Forex markets. Keep making money from the Forex markets. Let's take the profit to the moon. So bye everyone. Cheers. Cheers to good life. Let's go. Ending the session right now. Peace out everyone. Bye.